Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting topic for all of you out there. We'll be diving into the world of C# ValueTuple and exploring how it can be used in Windows Forms applications. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Now, let's jump into the fascinating world of C# ValueTuple. ValueTuple in C# provides a lightweight way to group multiple values into a single structure. While it might seem similar to a list or a dictionary in certain scenarios, there are key differences that make ValueTuple beneficial in specific use cases. In a dictionary, for example, you have only two places for data. It's a key value pair for each entry. Here is a fast and simple example of a dictionary. To provide this data to the people, we use a simple message box. But what is if you need more, maybe 3 or 4 places? Then ValueTuple is a good choice for you. In this example, we create a variable from type ValueTuple using the var keyword and fill it with some data. So you see, it's really easy to use this kind of variable if you have to store multiple values into a single structure. So, what exactly is a ValueTuple? In C#, a ValueTuple is a lightweight data structure that allows you to store multiple values of different types as a single unit. It was introduced to make working with tuples in C# more convenient, especially when you need a temporary grouping of values. Unlike other tuples, ValueTuples are value types, making them efficient and well suited for various scenarios. They are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed after they are set. They are also strongly typed, providing better type safety in your code. Additionally, ValueTuples can improve the readability of your code, especially when returning multiple values from a method. But what if you work with different ValueTuple in your code and work with their data? It's not so easy to know every time the right item to the right data. For this, we can define for each needed value a unique name. ValueTuple is a value type, and its memory is allocated on the stack rather than a heap. This can lead to better performance in certain scenarios, especially when dealing with short-lived or small data structures. Each element in a ValueTuple has a specific type, making it strongly typed. This can lead to better type safety in your code. While ValueTuple has its advantages, it's important to note that the choice between ValueTuple and other collection types depends on the specific requirements of your application. For dynamic collections or scenarios where key value pairs are needed, list or dictionary might be more appropriate. ValueTuple is particularly useful when dealing with fixed size sets of related values. In this example, you see that's really easy and simple to use the right value depend on the unique name that we define for each of them. So you can use this to bundle related data together in a single value tuple. If you are interested in this or different topics, feel free to check my other content on my channel. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you find what you need. If not, feel free to make some comments to this video with further wishes or improvements.